Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to talk about how to set up a crude oil extraction base. So you need to find a spot in the various areas that spawn it. We're up here in the Sakura Shrine Island up here, but you can also find it in around here and over in the desert areas as well. Like there's a great spot right here with a couple of spawns for the crude oil. And you can set about 2 of these crude oil extractors per spot to collect all of this oil. So while those pals are building those, the other thing to keep in mind is how do you power 4 of these large oil extractors? And the simple answer is you need about 1.5 power generators worth in order to keep them going. So that means you're going to want at least 1 of these large power generators, and those you can get. And those large power generators you can get at around level 50, and they cost some pal metal ingots and an electric or 200 electric organs in order to construct. And then we also put another power generator over here in order to provide enough power to generate and serve 4 of these bad boys. And then for anything that's left over, because that last one still generates a little bit too much, we have 2 little energy accumulator power batteries, power banks over here that it stores the leftover energy into. And that's basically how you can supply a pretty decent sized power generation base with oil. So you've got 4 oil generators here, 2 per like oil spot. And then you've got 1 large power generator that you use, and that takes 2 pals in order to charge it up to full. And then we have a smaller one. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm actually not sure where the other power generator went. I think we still need to rebuild it, but basically that's the idea, is you want this one plus a smaller one in order to keep your power at a maximum efficiency. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.